I took my armpit from this to this, so I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my armpit. So I really like using the turmeric max, turmeric and honey, because I found out that glycolic may be a little bit too harsh for my skin, but I know that lemon contains brightening and lightening properties, and if you're consistent with using just lemon, my dear, you're going to see results. So this is me just mixing it up, and then I'm applying it. So I just use 3 ingredients: turmeric, lemon, and honey. So I'm gonna put it there and leave it on my hands for a long period of time, because I have to make sure that my hands are like up like that, because I feel like if I put my hands down, it's gonna fold and I won't get into the fold of the area. So now if you also have
beards, you are growing beards, I want to teach you a natural way in which you can remove or slow down that beard growth. So we're going to be using turmeric to slow down beard growth. So a lady came to my DM and she was asking me, how will she stop her beards from growing? You can use laser, you can also use spermite tea, and then you have to also use turmeric. So turmeric is a natural way to get rid of facial hairs.
That's right. So turmeric is actually a very good DIY brightening effect, and it is very good for the face. Note that when you're using on your face, do not put lemon, but if your skin can tolerate lemon, that is fine. For my face, I put a little bit of yogurt, I put honey, and I do not use lemon on my face. But some people have the mind to, but I do not do that. So the turmeric is actually a very good anti-aging and a good brightening mask. As you can see, I'm slathering them on my face. And one thing about turmeric is that it also helps to remove dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and it just gives your face this glow. And the best way in which you can get the maximum benefit from this mask is you do this, then steam your face. Steam your face after you put this on your face. So can you see that glow? Ooh. Then I'm going to be mixing mine with kojic acid. Yes, that is the secret. So I'm going to put kojic acid on top of that turmeric mask, because kojic acid is also like a pigment brightener. So I'm going to activate the kojic acid ingredient on my armpit by lathering it. Can you see how it is foamy and every other thing? So I'm going to put it like that, like a living mask. I'm going to allow it stay on my skin again for 10 minutes.
Dark spots and pimples and you want to reduce it, we're going to be using your facial cleanser. So you have dark spots, you have acne, and you want to reduce it. Turmeric contains curcumin, which will help to reduce hyperpigmentation and to also help to reduce acne. So you guys,
notice how I'm exfoliating my skin in a circular motion. So this is the best way in which you can get the maximum benefit of any product you apply on your face, be it a mask, be it a facial cleanser, be it a facial cream. You can see the way I'm taking it in circular motion, and this is going to help me get rid of every dirt and helps for easy penetration of the product. And now it is time to wash this off. I really like the yellow effect, and I was like feeling myself at this point. Okay, so it's time to wash this off. And this is me drinking water, and this is how I look after. Whoosh. So I'm gonna wash the one on my armpit as well, because you can see that it's still there.
please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Bye.
Thank you so
Thanks
much
for watching.